good morning to one and all. Today, I would like to tell you a few things about this auspicious day. As you already know that, so this is an World Environmental Day. Today, we are celebrating the World Environmental Day. So June 5th is meant for World Environment Day. So on this auspicious day, Sanskriti School of Engineering would like to give an webinar on Environmental Day. So that's why we conducted this program. So for this program, we invited Dr. Daivasigamani Garu. So he is one of the associate professor in Annamalai University. So welcome, sir. Welcome for this webinar session, sir.
Thank you, ma. Thank
So
you.
I would like to tell a few profile about yourself.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. So Dr. Daivasigamani Garu is an associate professor in Annamalai University. Sir has specialized in marine biology, and sir is a faculty of marine sciences. Sir has an experience of about 12 years of experience. Sir got so many awards and rewards in the honorarium purpose. So coming to the awards and the honorarium recognition, so sir got first SRF award received from IAS Bangalore. Next, DST Young Scientist Award. Next, UGC Research Award. Then Sir has got number of publications also. According to international and national wise, Sir has published nearly 77 papers in international publications. Coming to the national publications, Sir has published 10 to 11 publications. Sir has many book publications also. So, and Sir has wrote manuals also. Sir has completed his masters and MPhil and PhD also. Sir has guided so many students. So he guided the 10 members in PhDs and MPhils for the 78 students. Sir guided so many students also. Next, Sir mainly focused on the research publication in fish immunology and immune response and histology and histopathology of fishes and shellfishes. Next, biotechnology and immunological tools. So these are the Sir brief introduction. So I would like to invite Sir a warm welcome to Sanskriti School of Engineering, Sir. Now you can start your webinar, Sir, and you can give the valuable suggestions.
Yes. Thank
to the
you.
students.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. I would like to thank to every one and all for this pandemic situation. And especially I thankful to our principal sir and convener Dr. A. Sandil Kumar sir and coordinators and Sweda madam. So nice introduction. So I am very happy to share with my few words about the environmental day. Today is special day. You all of them, you know very well about that. So today is environmental day. So the government of India also conducting so many programs, and all the state are going to conduct the national and as well as the World Environmental Day. So this is a precious day. For this opportunity, I am really thankful to all the faculty members of the Sanskrit Schools of Engineering. I am happy to once again thank to the participant for I think more than 150 participants for having this wonderful time. So I just share with my knowledge. I am not 100% for environmental biologist, but anyhow, I have a biologist. I know the point of where is our India is going on. So recently, I got one more this award for this UGC Research Award. So that award, all of you know that. So it is very toughest one. So if you have more publications related to the what is that people, so you can your every research, maybe any basic research, any basic idea. So that idea is going to reach the people. Then only the government of India is recognized giving the awards. So that way, I am very happy to share with my knowledge to you, all the participants. Please, you share with me, and if you have any doubt after the presentation, please you exchange your knowledge. For especially the environmental and conservation is very important. So without the conservation, you cannot see anything. So I will share one by one. First, all of you know that what is the environment. So simply, find out it is a abiotic and biotic system. The world is covered by it is living and non-living things. For especially for consumer, producer, herbivorous, and carnivorous, like that. It is a group of the organism, the group of the people, the group of the animals, the group of the plant, the group of the non-living things. That means the soil, mineral, waters, along with the plant and animals combined together to form environment. So we know the simple word, the environmental means we're going to study about the basic idea about the living and non-living things, where it is going to lie. So what is the suitable place? All the animals going to adapt it when you need it for peaceful place. When you have the pleasant area, so then only the population is going to adapt it. So that way, the environmental is very important role. So you can see the one by one, what is the importance of environment, current status, and what are the problems we are going to facing it, and what are the basic idea is there for the conservation point of view. My dear friends, so this is the not a regular classes. You know very well about that. Madam already is, told me, sir, whatever it may be, just you can interact with our participant, interact with our faculty members. So that way I prepare only 35 slides. I give only the basic idea, but this wonderful day. My dear friends, you know the idea about the what is the resources. You know, different type of resources there. So basically, I'm based on the origin and based on the utility and based on the level of the development and based on the distribution and based on the ownership. So these are the very important key factor where you are going to adapt it, when you are going to adapt it, how you are going to adapt it. Basically, the environmental is wide. So the which place is suitable for all living and non-living things. So the non-living things means you can find out so where there are present in the environment. So that non-living things is useful for the human life. It is useful for the plant. It is useful for the animals. So based on the origin utilization, we are going to have different variety of the subclasses. So can biotic and abiotic system and renewable and non-renewable and actually the potentials and localities and individualities and communities and national and international. So these are the different source of the environment. So you can see the what is the current status and what is the recent status of the environment. There are, you know very well about this. Nowadays is challenging one for the air pollution, water pollution, and it's a domestically it's a prohibited goods and the pollutions of the natural environment. You know it's a very important challenging things nowadays is the air pollution and water pollution. So the government of India and all the world, they are going to have some interactions with the people and interaction with the animals and interaction with the plant. They are going to have what are the important criteria they are going to telling. What are the important criteria is naturally is there. How you are going to conserve the environment? How you are going to conserve the people? So these are the challenging situation is going on. So that way, the air pollution and water pollution is the important challenging criteria nowadays. So that way, the pollution remains a major challenges and opportunities for India. So the primarily causes of this uh, pollutions and major challenges. So it is long-term livelihood impact for India. It's not only that, you know, so the different variety of the demands is there. You know, you can find out the different types of the weather pattern and such as the warming and cooling patterns. And not only that, it's not the soil degradations and overpopulations. You are going to see the one by one natural resource depletions and what are the generating unstable waste and waste disposal. So deforestation and climate changes and ocean acidification. You know that the variety of problems is there. How you are going to solve all these things? So when you are going to solving this, so what are the scientific criteria is there? What are the solution is there? You know very well about that. Nowadays is the pandemic situations. this Corona-19 is spreading all over the world. This is the first criteria. So how you are going to face this problem? So maybe it is a climate changes, maybe it's a natural process, maybe it is an artificial process. Where it is come? Where it is coming from this COVID-19? Maybe from the China, or maybe from the natural sources, or maybe from the artificial sources. Still is a big question mark. Some of the scientists telling it is coming from the China. Some of the scientists telling it's not from China. It is artificially developed. So these are the prominent is a very, very challenging role for nowadays. What is that? Climatic changing and pollution and acid rain also is one of the criteria, and overfishing and urban spawning and public health issues and genetic engineering. My dear friends, you know, all the things is an important criteria to how you are going to solve. So what are the conservation? So the environmental conservation point of view, how we are going to solve this problem? Number one, we are going to protect the environment, and preservation management or restoration of the natural environment. That is very important. Not only that, conservation is generally helped to including the management. Maybe it's going to use for the human useful for natural resources for current public benefits and sustainable social and economical utilizations. So the earth will not continue to offer its harvest. My dear friends, so the John Paul II, they are saying already told that the earth will not continue to offer its, when the offer will come once one day, the offer will not coming for all the days. So the offer will come, so you can utilize it. So you can properly, you can hold it. Then only you are going to develop. Then only you are going to grow in the world. Otherwise, you are going to fall down. So that way you cannot say we love the land and take steps to destroy it for use by future generation. So not only that, what are the important conservation? How we are going to involved in this different way to have lot of things. It has been became inherently important to work towards the environmental conservation and contemporary times. You are going to reduce air and water and land pollution to facilitate the conservation of nature resources for our future generations, to ensure the protection of biodiversity. You know that the biodiversity, it's a very, very important to protect the biodiversity. Then only you can solve the food problems. You are going to protect the plant, you are going to solve the oxygen problem. So you cannot protect this plant and animal. What will happen? The environment going to suffer a lot. So now you can facing that. The implementation suitable development, that also very important. So what are the suitable area is there? What are the suitable places there? For example, you are studying in engineering, you are studying BTech. First you go, what you are going to find out there? Where is place? So that place is suitable for studying. What are the accommodation? It's available. It is within the campus or without the campus. And after, good water facilities there. So these are the problems, or these are the solutions we are going to find out. We catch the input, whether it is good or not. So at the same time, you are a person, you are a human being, you are a major categories in the world. So first you can go into sustainable development ideas. What's there? You are going to first implement the sustainable development. And after that, you are going to restore the ecological balance. So this is very important. So then only you can survive. So that way, so these are the important conservations of the environment to save our planet from the harmful and the precursors of the global warming. So next, you know that plant and the trees are the essential sources, food as well as other day-to-day product to use. My dear friends, you know, every day you are going to use all the activities, whether it is going to purchase for the daily life, maybe food or cloth or water and air, everything. First, you are going to day by day product. Once it is available, easily available, and is the source of energy is there, then only you're going to purchase it. So otherwise, you cannot going to purchase. So what is the idea is naturally present in the world. First, you're going to serve and conserve the environment. Then only you can have all the good harvesting things. So the single distribution in the ecosystem can cause disruptions and water cycle and as well as food chain. The afforestation is amongst the core environment conservation and aim to plant more trees as well as shade. So once you can conserve the environment, what to do? First, you are going to plant more trees. So then only you can have the oxygen. Now you can see the COVID-19 patient, all are searching oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. When it will come, how it will come, what is the sources is there. Previously, you can, how you will miss all the opportunity. You cannot save the nature. Then only now you are going to suffer a lot. So that's why, so the main criteria is first you can survival is very important. The survival before that you can conserve the environment, conserve the system. Then only you can survival. The first survival and fitness is you are going to aim to plant a more trees in the environment. Then only you can play easily and distribute easily, and you can have the maintaining the ecological balance in the human environment. Otherwise, you are going to suffer. And next, you are going to see the soil conservation and help to control erosions. Already you know that everyone you know it's a basic idea how we are going to conserve the soil to help the erosion and improve the soil for the agricultural purpose. You know the things. So you can save the forest, you can breathe very well, you can have quality food, you can purchase quality, all the necessary human life things. At the same time, you save the soil, what will happen? You can improve the your health diseases, how to you can going to prevent in the natural environment. And at the same time, we're going to cultivate the agriculture product. For maybe it's a backbone of our country. The agriculture is the main source. Once you can, agriculture is developed in the countries, you know, you don't bother about it for the diseases. So nowadays, so you can conserve the soil, you can improve the agricultural products. So we should plant more, the same word with repeating this, it's a main thing. You can plant more trees to protect pasture land and grow crops which regulate the blowing away of soils. We should also the minimize the use of chemical. You can utilize the how much of the fruits and vegetables and everything. And next, you're going to see the what is that wastages, and especially in the developing countries, and you can congested places on a daily basis, a large amount of waste through a way, and recklessly you can see the everywhere. Then look at that. For example, with their family, son having the cell phone, Android phone, mummy is also having the phones, and brothers, sisters are having phone, each one having the fastest phone. So what is the result of that? You are destroying your family, you are destroying the environment, you are destroying the nation and the whole world. So, so once you can properly think it, so this one is needed, you are going to purchase. Otherwise, you don't purchase, otherwise, you cannot touch it. Maybe, so these are the big things you know very well about that. So the wastage is the biggest problem nowadays, which it's segregated to lead to various dreadful diseases as well as it spoil the soil pollution also. They spoil the agriculture also. They spoil the all the things, water, air, and the soil pollution. So you can use separate container. You can look at the picture, you know very well about that. So wastage is glassware, you can use separate container and put it and you can throw it outside. So any wastages things, you can properly handle it. You don't bother about it, your peaceful life. And the three words you also you know very well about that: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So this is our cycle. That means the three R's. The three R's means is to ensure the minimal wastage as well as the facilitate waste disposals. We can add for various techniques like what is that? Reduce. Maybe the water you are going to minimize. Whenever you need it, you can going to utilize the water. And next, the electricity. So if you need it, you are going to switch on the switch. And otherwise, if not needed, you simply can switch off the light. So you can definitely save the electricity. So these are reduced and reuse. So whenever you are going to purchase anything in the with the bag, so that bag you are going to use for the reusing bag. So don't use the plastic and other some biodegradable and other plastic. So it is very harmful to the human and as well as animals. So when you can think the good environment you are going to form, please you can keep these three things. It's very, very important. It's a basic things. First, you should understood this. Anything, any kind of the material you are going to use, just you can recycling it. This product it maybe you are going to recycle or reusing. Definitely you're going to use the product and recycling. So that product you purchase the product, definitely it is not harmful to the other animals. You can definitely use the product and you can for the recycling purpose. So you can conserve this all the things for 3 hours and make the people aware of the consequence of our activities through the various means and available such as social media and seminar and traditional media. Now you can webinar is also is conducting for management and organizing members and the convener. So this is the awareness program with where all the nations is needed to tell the importance of the environment to the people, to the students, to the faculty members. You share the knowledge, you share the exchange your knowledge to others. Then only your country is going to develop more and more economically and as well as healthy wise. So this seminar and the social media is a key role for education. So everything you are going to interact with the people, then only that country is coming to in good position. So otherwise, you cannot have in good level. Maybe it's a developing. You cannot see the developed level. So that way, nowadays, the social media and seminar and webinar, conference, workshop. So these are the very, very important criteria in educational point of view. It is useful for the exchanging the ideas to the people and the societies. And also discuss the environmental protections with your friends and family members so that everyone is made aware of environment and conservation. This is very important. Okay, so every day you are when you're interacting with something to the society, it will be very meaningfulness. Whatever it may be, goodness or badness or bad things or goodness, just you can first interact, first you can initiate. So just you can have plantations for one day, for every day, for birthday. Today is a environmental day. So if you have one plant, so that means you can interact with your friends, your father, your mother, your friends. Just you can tell what is the importance of the planting. What is the uses of the you are drinking this water? What is the use of this food? Simply just you can interact. So what is the necessary of this program? Why is unnecessarily wasting 45 minutes or 25 minutes? Just you can interact with. What is the need of that? After this webinar, after the class, what is the achievement of your today, half an hour or 14 hours of this time? You spend the time is useful. You have any idea from me? You gather any idea or any knowledge from me? So without you getting any knowledge, this webinar is very big question mark. So everything is there. This point, all the point is also available in the Google. It's also many PPTs available in the Google. But once you come outside and interact with the people, interact with your teachers, interact with your brothers and sisters, interact with your relationship or your relatives, you can have good knowledge. Automatically, we're going to know. Then only the country will be going to secure. So that way, our point of view, it's environmental to need a bigger parts of the education system from elementary school and up for the higher level. My dear friends, you think within the LKG, UKG students, the teacher, the school teachers are they are going to introduce, they are going to tell the importance of the environment. The environmental is a main source. Without the environment, there is no any organism, there is no any human, there is no any animals, there is no any food. So first you can create the awareness to the school level. That is one of the biggest challenge nowadays. Every state board, they are going to change the education policy. The government of India also, they are going to change the new to teach our young ones how to take care of the environment as well as consequence of not doing so. So what is the consequences of this? Without the awareness, how should you can have the ideas? How we are going to implement these ideas? There is no way. So once you can have the awareness, then only you can have the idea to renovations. How to you can make it clearly. So what is the way is there? So that way, the education policy is very important to in school to higher level and create an it sees the schools going to kids to plant the trees and take care of them for as long as they had been the institutions. By the time they graduate, the trees will be biggest and will be the biggest in the environment. So these are the the environmental and the educate to the people and the school children and as well as some higher education point of view. And what is the use of this? And plastic are responsible for the its environment. You know that the how the south to be banned, and people should learn to either in and reuse them, or otherwise we fail to use them at all. So you can create the legislation that promotes the environmental conservation. The government should come up with the legislation that proper and environmental conservation. So every day media also is giving the lecture for how to you can conserve. What are the legislations? How we are going to save the environment? What are the steps, basic steps? The steps is followed all the students or teachers or faculty members, the people of India or people of the Andhra Pradesh or people of the Tamil Nadu. They follow the rules and regulations. Now you can look at your area. The COVID-19 pandemic situations, the government, the state government, the introduced lockdown for 15 or 40 days or 10 days. The people cannot understand the lockdown.